Bacteria are tiny living things. They are everywhere. These microscopic organisms can be found in the air we breathe, the water we drink, and even on the surfaces we touch. Most bacteria are harmless and play essential roles in various ecosystems. Some bacteria are good for us. For instance, probiotics found in yogurt and other fermented foods help maintain a healthy gut. These beneficial bacteria aid in digestion and boost our immune system. But some bacteria can make us sick. When harmful bacteria invade our bodies, they can cause infections that range from mild to severe. This is called a bacterial infection. Bacterial infections occur when harmful bacteria multiply and disrupt normal bodily functions. It's important to know about bacterial infections. Understanding how they spread and how to prevent them can help protect our health. This helps us stay healthy. Bacterial infections are common and can affect anyone, regardless of age or health status. They can range from mild to serious. Mild infections might cause symptoms like a rash or sore throat, while severe infections can lead to hospitalization and even be life-threatening. Understanding the symptoms is important. Common symptoms of bacterial infections include fever, chills, fatigue, and localized pain or swelling. This helps you get the right treatment. Early diagnosis and appropriate treatment are crucial for a quick recovery. It also prevents spreading the infection. Simple practices like covering your mouth when coughing and using hand sanitizer can reduce the risk of transmission. We'll discuss everything you need to know about bacterial infections. From how they spread to the best ways to treat them, we aim to provide comprehensive information. From common symptoms to effective treatments, we'll cover it all. Let's dive in. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of bacterial infections and how to protect yourself and your loved ones. Bacterial infections can cause many different symptoms. These symptoms depend on the type of infection. They also depend on where the infection is in your body. Some common symptoms include fever, fatigue, and pain. You might also experience chills, nausea, or vomiting. It's important to pay attention to your body. If you feel unwell, don't ignore it. Fever is a common sign of a bacterial infection. Your body temperature rises to fight off the infection. A fever is usually a temperature of 100.4 degrees Fahrenheit or 38 degrees Celsius or higher. Fever can make you feel hot, sweaty, or chilled. You might also have a headache or muscle aches. If you have a fever, it's important to rest and drink plenty of fluids. Fatigue is another common symptom of bacterial infections. You might feel very tired and weak. This is because your body is working hard to fight off the infection. Body aches are also common. These aches can be anywhere in your body. They can be mild or severe. Rest is important when you have fatigue and body aches. It allows your body to recover. Localized pain and inflammation. Bacterial infections can also cause localized pain. This means the pain is in a specific part of your body. For example, you might have a sore throat, earache, or stomach pain. The area of infection might also be inflamed. This means it's red, swollen, and tender to the touch. Localized pain and inflammation are signs that your body is fighting the infection. How infections spread. Bacteria can spread in many ways. They can spread through the air when someone coughs or sneezes. They can also spread through contaminated food or water. You can also get a bacterial infection through contact with an infected person. This can happen through direct contact, like touching. It can also happen through indirect contact, like sharing personal items. Washing your hands frequently is one of the best ways to prevent the spread of bacterial infections. Common bacterial infections. Bacterial infections are caused by harmful bacteria that invade the body and multiply, leading to various health issues. Understanding these infections is crucial for effective treatment and prevention. There are many different types of bacterial infections. Some common ones include strep throat, urinary tract infections, ear infections, and pneumonia. Each of these infections affects different parts of the body and presents unique symptoms. Strep throat. This is a throat infection that causes a sore throat, fever, and swollen glands. It is caused by the Streptococcus bacteria and is highly contagious. Symptoms often include pain when swallowing, red and swollen tonsils, and white patches or streaks of pus on the tonsils. Urinary tract infection, or UTI. This is an infection of the bladder or urethra, which is the tube that carries urine out of the body. UTIs are more common in women than men and can cause symptoms such as a strong, persistent urge to urinate, a burning sensation when urinating, and cloudy or strong-smelling urine. If left untreated, the infection can spread to the kidneys, leading to more serious health issues. Ear infection. This is an infection of the middle ear, which is the space behind the eardrum. Ear infections are particularly common in children and can cause ear pain, difficulty hearing, and fluid drainage from the ear. They are often caused by bacteria that enter the ear through the eustachian tube, which connects the middle ear to the back of the throat. Pneumonia. This is an infection of the lungs that can cause coughing, fever, and difficulty breathing. Pneumonia can be caused by various types of bacteria, including Streptococcus pneumonia and Haemophilus influenzae. Symptoms can range from mild to severe and may include chest pain, shortness of breath, and fatigue. In severe cases, pneumonia can be life-threatening, especially for the elderly and those with weakened immune systems. These are just a few examples. Bacterial infections can affect any part of the body and can range from mild to severe. Other common bacterial infections include skin infections like cellulitis, gastrointestinal infections like salmonella, and sexually transmitted infections like gonorrhea. Each infection has specific symptoms and requires specific treatment. Treatment often involves antibiotics, which are medications that kill bacteria or stop them from growing. It's important to take the full course of antibiotics as prescribed by a doctor to ensure the infection is fully treated and to prevent antibiotic resistance. In addition to antibiotics, supportive care such as rest, fluids, and pain relievers can help manage symptoms and speed up recovery. Preventative measures such as good hygiene, vaccinations, and safe food handling practices can also reduce the risk of bacterial infections. When to seek medical help. It's important to seek medical attention if you think you have a bacterial infection. Bacterial infections can sometimes be difficult to distinguish from viral infections, but they often require different treatments. Early diagnosis and treatment can prevent complications. For instance, untreated bacterial infections can lead to more serious health issues, such as sepsis or organ damage. See a doctor if you have a fever that lasts longer than a few days. Persistent fever can be a sign that your body is fighting a more serious infection that needs medical intervention. Also, seek help if your symptoms are severe or don't improve with home care. This includes symptoms like intense pain, significant swelling, or redness that spreads. Don't wait to get help if you have difficulty breathing, a stiff neck, or a severe headache. These symptoms can indicate conditions like meningitis or severe respiratory infections which require prompt medical attention. These can be signs of a serious infection. It's always better to err on the side of caution and consult a healthcare provider if you're unsure about your symptoms. They can provide the necessary tests and treatments to ensure your health and safety. Remember, timely medical intervention can make a significant difference in your recovery process. Don't hesitate to seek help when you need it. Your health is paramount, and taking the right steps early can prevent more serious health issues down the line. The power of antibiotics. Antibiotics are powerful medicines that kill bacteria. They are very effective in treating bacterial infections. It's important to take antibiotics exactly as prescribed by your doctor. Finish the entire course of antibiotics even if you start to feel better. This helps prevent the infection from coming back. Never share your antibiotics with others. Taking antibiotics unnecessarily can lead to antibiotic resistance. Home remedies for relief. While antibiotics fight the infection, home remedies can relieve symptoms. Rest is crucial. It helps your body fight the infection. Drink plenty of fluids to stay hydrated, especially water. Over-the-counter medications can help reduce fever and pain. Gargle with salt water for a sore throat. Prevention. Your best defense. Prevention is the best way to protect yourself from bacterial infections. Wash your hands frequently with soap and water. Avoid close contact with sick people. Clean and disinfect frequently touched surfaces. Stay up to date on vaccinations. They protect you from serious bacterial infections. By understanding bacterial infections, you can take charge of your health. Remember, early detection and treatment are key. Stay informed and stay healthy. Don't forget to subscribe for more health guides.